Had some fun this morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Just got out of my meeting feeling good. Let's go. Looking at these scans today. See the spies nice and green. What's up, One Life? Get everything set up here. Okay. All right. So on the scans today, looks like we got eye lag, whatever eye lag is. We have USE, which is down 56%. Not too worried about that. I guess I'll throw eye lag up there. I don't really like it. We can watch it though. The news on eye lag is looking like, let me open up this daily chart. Why cannabis companies are trading higher, so it must be something dealing with cannabis. Let me see if I can flip open a browser. Okay, eye lag. Good morning, Daniel B. Let's go to profile. Okay, this is one of those Chinese Hong Kong companies. Intelligent Living Application Group, iLag manufactures and sells mechanical lock sets to customers. And yeah, I'm not trading that. I'm okay. This one's up 56%, but I mean, the company sells locks. So I don't know about that one. You can watch it fail, identify some levels on it, but that's looking like something I don't want to touch. Let's see what else we got up here on the scans, though. We got Eton up 10%. Then we got AD in. Both of these are already red on the day. So let's throw up these two, and we'll see if anything else new pops on the scans. Bank of America is currently up. One Life says AFRM breaking that range. Let's go check that out. AFRM. Well, we saw it come up here to this top the first time. 2350 is what it was breaking through, that we had looked at last week, up to 2418 there. Wow, that's good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it. Wow. So it's actually, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so beautiful. A firm continue to push up. The top here is the 2450. Uh-oh, ho. Yeah, I like it. Very, very strong movement up. What's up, Diggs BTW7 over on Twitch? Getting this A firm push here. Wow. Super strong move by A firm this morning. Bank of America is also up as well. Carnival is up as well. A lot of these little low movers out here on my scans are up. PULG, EVTL, Google, GOEV. Bank of America. Carnival Cruise Line is the biggest mover so far. AUY. Wow, look at how USEA died from Friday. I'm so glad I didn't believe in that stock at all. This thing's down 56%. Remember how it struggled up there and I watched it and I was like, this just don't look right. And so at Friday, we're at $6, right? Freaky Friday. And now here on Monday, we're at $2. So think about somebody that held this over the weekend. That I would cry for them. I would cry, you know? They're like, oh man, this is great. It's got a great uptrend. It's got a great uptrend, but how quickly that uptrend changed. Down 55%. That means if you bought 100 shares up here at $6, yeah, you would have got murdered. Let's look at the SPY as well. I lag continue to jump up there. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna jump back over to the SPY. I lag opened up here at $3 up to the 375-ish level. It was had a quite a nice drop. Has a level up here, was previously tested 561. I don't think it can get back up there. But it may. It just doesn't have the news to me on iLag. Let me pop that news up. Okay, iLag. They sell locks. They got they had a IPO back in on the 12th. Is that right? 12th? Yeah. Had a major drop down and now getting this little push today. CCL get a nice little push up. See, it broke its range as well today. 935 was its range that it had. That's Carnival, I think it's Carnival Cruise or something like that. Broke that little range. Anyway, back over to the SPY. What's up, Dallas? Let me see. When transportation, transpo, or banks start moving up, the overall market rally could be near. Okay. SPY No big movement out of these first 15 minutes. Either way, kind of going flat. So we'll see what direction it chooses. I'm waiting on iLag to do what it's got to do. Okay, for a long-term time frame, my Esquire bought Bitcoin a few days ago. So far, he banked. Nice. CCL up 7%. Carnival Cruise, Bank of America opened at bounced up from the 32 up here to the 33s. A firm. A firm pushing on up there. This will be the second time testing this 2475 area. We'll see if we can go ahead and claim that area up there. 2475. iLag still playing up here, taking its time around this right under the $4 level. Okay, iLag looking like it's ready to start coming down a little bit. The $3 or actually the 250 was a hold point for a while, and this today it came up to the $3 during pre-market, which was a 50-cent move on this little low float, which could just be a little bit of covering, but I don't know. We'll have to see where this thing wants to land. 26 million shares landed on it this morning, but observation is needed. For it to take out this bar, it would have to go all the way back down to the $3. There'll be an 80-cent loss. Okay, let me jump back over here. TOS. I see GRAB is up 12%. Grab for some reason. Let's see what the news is on that. This is a higher float stock. Has come down into this level, hit a low of the 226, and has just been kind of holding here. Grab holdings, JP upgrades Grab holdings to overweight from neutral. Whatever, that's no big news. Riot popping up there as well. Riot is one of those crypto stocks. Popping up there, up 17%. Or actually, let me see, 12%, up 8% on the day since the open, but 12% on the day. So letting that play out. Good morning, Ben. Ben, have a look at my my little scans here. Do you notice anything? UPST. I lag going back and forth there. Okay, H. No, that's nothing. Looking for these big movers. Where are those big movers with that big money? Micro caps. Oh yeah, that's been up there. Yeah, yeah. But there's something specific that has changed on my scanners. More specific, I guess you could say. Siga, all red. Let me look at the actual market watch. Market, there's a little bit of green. What in the world? Why is it so dark? 1010110. Exactly, Ben. That's what I'm talking about. Speaking binary. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I lag coming on back down. Hit a little top here right under the $4. Could not break that four. Coming on down now. We're gonna see what's still staying green on the day. SPY is now showing a little bit of green. Yes. Yes, Dallas. Dallas is very, very observative. He's got the observation like a hawk. Exactly. Exactly. So I actually created some code to do what Street Smart Edge does on my, like, if you look here on change in open, this is calculating how much it's moved off of open. And then it just does what this thing does over here. But you have to actually code it up. It's they don't give you the option in TOS. Okay, CCL. What did A firm end up doing? A firm right back at that top 24.75. Six, nine. All right. A firm looking like it wants to go up and touch that 25. On the 15-minute, it did pull back off of this double top looking area here of the 2480s. We'll see if it can crush it. Can it get back over that 24.75 area? CCL from a nice little wall here, right under the $10 as well. So a lot of these little flat tops forming today at the open. SPY still pretty flat as well. LGL. DTN. Perfect. Perfect. Right with it. Okay, Bank of America went on red on the day. ILAG got up there through that $4. Took a huge little explosion up there, $4 with a small breakout to 412. We're seeing the volume ramp down. Let's see if this volume starts to pick back up now this broken 4. 12s, 14s. There comes a little bit of volume there, but still in the same ramp down pattern as of now. Okay. You keep an eye on some of crypto, like, yeah, I called out Riot already. Riot was moving up. Where did Riot go? Riot was moving up. I see Mara as well over here. It's up 21%. It's up 10% since the open. So yeah, those cryptos are moving up quite a bit. right, let's jump back over to iLag. Finding a little bit of resistance past that 410. See if it can get pushed back under the 4. A firm right under the 2450s. Got pushed down off of that 2475 level. Daniel B says you are in U. Go look at U. You found a little bit of resistance right up here with a small breakout up to the 3645. I'm guessing Daniel B is short on this one. With this kind of formation. So we'll see what happens on that one. That iLag is just churning around that 410 level. Goes a little bit up, a little bit down, but just churning in this level. Very dangerous movements around that 410. Lot of volume though. If this candle goes red, that's gonna be very bad for it. This is gonna be the biggest candle of the day. We'll see if it can hold green or will this one change red on the 5-minute. Actually, it's going to be closing here in just a couple of seconds. I didn't see that. Just opened up a new candle. And that previous candle was 6 million shares traded on that 5 minutes. And it struggled around that 410. So let's see if it can get under 410 and start to push downward. $420s coming up there, $421s, $423s, very small breakout once again. So on this one, it broke from 4 up to 422. And on this one, it broke from 23 up to the 24. So that was a 1 cent breakout. Not a lot of conviction behind those breakouts. But still up 86%. Let me look at Mara. And actually, let me look at Riot as well. These are two that were on the scanner earlier. Came from the around the $6 up to the $6.45 or 45 cents. And then on Mara, came from the 850-ish level up to the 975. So definitely getting a little push. Let me see if either one of them have any news. Let's see. Bank of America, Goldman, Boeing, and more stock market movers. Shares of cryptocurrency related stocks are trading higher amid the rise in the price of Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency, yeah, price. So it's sympathy plays to Bitcoin, basically. Let me go see where Bitcoin is. Come on, buddy. Pop up. Pop up. Let's go. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Where? Oh, where? There it is. Man, that little bitty pop up. What? That little bitty pop up? Okay, whatever. I thought there was some kind of super pop. Okay, that's nothing. Not impressive. All right, so iLag coming back to the 410s. Get rid of CCL. I don't really like it anyway. A firm came on down a little bit. Came down, touched the 2418. What kind of spot is that? 2375 is previous. Okay, checking out U to see if it came down for Daniel B. I think he was in it short. He got in around this top level and waiting for it to get a little push down. All right, so let's go ahead and narrow our list down to those movers that are holding their gains and are up considerably where people will actually see them on their scans. So the first one, or let's start in the micro caps. Of course, we got iLag up there already. And that's the only one in micro floats land. The next one, none of these look good to me. All of these are red on the day. Eton Nexi was a mover from Friday, lost all its gains, just like USEA. Mid floats, ADN is also red on the day. Don't like that. That broke the first rule. RYTM, BKKT is another crypto mover, but those crypto movers with that little move on Bitcoin, I'm okay. I'm okay. I want to see something explosive. Bitcoin can move, you know, and I think it's a trap. I think it's a trap. Especially here on Monday when Bitcoin can still has 4 or 5 days to go down. Okay, anything else standing out? Nothing else really standing out for me. What's up, SB? And wait, DB, did you jump in here with another account? I thought you were already in here as DB. Yeah, yeah, you got your secondary account, or you got your friend over there on the other computer. Yeah, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed yet, oh, let me see what Dallas is saying. Dallas says banks are another um, spoke in the wheel of Dow theory. Since transpo and banks are both leading economic indicators, there is conflation. The SPY and crypto are laggards in this case. Ben, if you're still with us. iLag tried it again with another failed attempt to go higher. Breakouts getting throwing those wicks longer and longer and then coming back more and more. Man, Daniel B, he's got so many accounts, man. Oh my gosh. This man has like 80 accounts. I never know. Like he's got I don't know, man. Daniel B can be a whole chat section if he wants to. He has perfected the art of trolling. And that's just his Google accounts. You never know how many Twitter accounts and things that he has sitting up in his back pocket. All right, so ILAG coming back down to that 410 level once again. Very choppy. Looking for that big sell off on the break of 410 here. It's my AI in progress. Big break on 410. We should see those sellers get real aggressive across that 410. There's a little break. Get that push. There we go. There it is. Coming in right under that 410. They should push it all the way back under 4. A lot of volume came in on that red candle. A lot of shorts getting aggressive there. There's a $4 getting a little clip, breaking onto the floor just a little bit. Little bit of a bounce, probably gonna retest 410 and then go continue downwards. Let's jump back over here to the SPY. SPY has gone back red on the day. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. SPY is just so flat today. No big movement, a lot of indecision. Man, I love the markets, man. So ILAG came back up for the retest of the 410, and we're looking for a continuation back down off that 410. Oh boy. All right, Dallas. Peace out. Have a good one. Safe trading. Yeah, boy. Got a little bit of time left. As of now, I see a bunch of traps in the market. I see all these little Bitcoin and crypto movers moving up with Bitcoin on Monday morning, and I'm just weary of them. And then I see iLag, which has not so good news. They sell lock sets that it's like, okay, what are you doing? You just got a little bit of good news, a little bit of upgrade by JP Morgan, but it's like, what else are you doing? Right? Are you providing, I don't even know, a new type of security, electronic locks or something? No. So don't really see a whole lot of spark in those. I see one called QD up 74%. Let me see what QD is. 74% here. You see the news. Shares of China online financial services company Quidian provides QD food progress report. Um, Wait, am I reading this right? Okay. Quidian shares trading higher after company highlighted progress in its QD food brand and said its 717 Foodies Festival fueled sales of approximately 9.56 million dishes. That stock has jumped up to about $2 now on QD. Hey, Dallas going on vacation, man. Have a great trip. Be safe next week. Yeah, QD, a very questionable stock, but it is up 70 something percent. Started at 120. A little bit higher float on this one, so it could be a chopper throughout the day. So, the recommendation for choppy stocks, try to buy low, because I mean, at least if it's gonna chop around low, it has the potential to go higher. You don't want to buy a choppy stock up high. Let's see what U's looking like. U came on back down into these levels of the $35. A firm pushed all the way back down to the 23.85, looking like it wants to go red on the day. ILAG continued to bounce up through these levels, bounced off that 410 again. We got 433 up to 440. So smaller and smaller breakouts. This is 3 times that it's done this. This is the first one, or actually 2 times looks like. Ripped out of open, came down, consolidated, ripped up once, ripped up twice. I guess that would be 3 times, wouldn't it? I don't know. This is a smaller time frame. Let me go to the bigger time frame. So it hasn't even pulled back on the 15-minute. It's just been breaking out small. So the first one, 398 up to 424. Next one, 424 up to 433. Next one, 432 up to 437. So smaller and smaller breakouts. I'm feeling a drop coming. I'm feeling it in my soul. Feeling it behind my kneecaps. Okay. Okay. QD breaking down that $2. Now we can see a little bit of a range intraday range forming here. So we got our resistance up here at the $2. And we'll see if it can hold up. Let me see. Support 181. Got a little range, but we got to see it test this bottom first. 181. Eye lag looking heavier and heavier up here. Will this be a level of resistance at the 425s? Resistance. Right across there. Now, the point that it continued to have problems with was the 410s, which is a weird number. I'm thinking if it can get back to those 410s, it's going to absolutely dump. That will be the level that well, getting a little heat there. A lot of volume coming in on this red candle. Looking real slippery. Yep, that's what I'm thinking, DB. We already identified the level. Look at this daily chart. The IPO, it got all the way up here to $22 and then got absolutely ran through. And it held down here at $2 for a little bit. But think about that movement from $22 on the first day, opening on the second day at $2.62. That's insane. That's crazy. I don't know what percentage movement that is, but that's a big percentage. Okay, let's jump back over here on the scans and see if we see anything else new popping up. Bank of America. And these scans are the top 10. So they take into account the top 10 largest volume movers in a specific rank or in a specific market cap. So for micro floats, these are the top 10. These will be these aren't the top 10. These are you have to make the first criteria to even get on here. But these are the ones that it's seeing for right now, which are these 5. iLag, US, whatever. And these have the right volume. And they're holding up the price levels that I'm looking for. So they're up here. But it's up to me to decide, hey, do I want to put my money into it? And iLag is one of those that is very questionable. Look at this daily chart. Look at this. This looks like death. Has the previous high of this little candle was the 576 there. Yeah, that's not looking like it's gonna happen. USEA, TBLT, alt. So yeah, as of now, nothing really sticking out to me. So it's gonna be on these stocks. I'm not willing to put my money into any of these ones. It's looking like a no trade day based on the news that I'm seeing and the struggle and the formations on the daily chart. I just don't like it. You know, they may rip or do whatever, but I'm okay. I'm okay. I just continue watching throughout the rest of the day for something else bigger to pop up on Monday afternoon when news wants to drop. Because Monday, all of Monday is usually like a news dropping day. You never know when news will drop or how big the news will be. So, hey, I'd rather just save my ammunition for the true winners. I lag back down to that 410 we've been watching. Let's see if it can actually get a big break of the 410 now. This is the second time that the first one was a fail to try to get to the 410, but now we're seeing another crack. Can we see that volume, this red volume, start to ramp? Let's go shorts. Beautiful. Beautiful plays for the shorts. Look at this 15-minute. This looks so bearish it's not even funny. The hour chart still holding up there a little bit, but with this being a lower float, it can give back a whole lot very quickly. All it takes is one big short to come in and knock it on down. Let's look at QD. QD got back over the $2 by 10 cents. Same kind of moves with iLag. This one came up here to the previous high of $2 and is just trying to hold that with all its little might. Let me look on the higher time frames of QD. Up 77%. What's up, Lori? QD 70%. Where would a previous level be for it to come and check down? I don't really know. It's not too obvious, so I'm not going to guesstimate. Let's see. What else we got? Don't like CCL. Apple, don't really like. AMD. AMD did form their higher low and seems to be holding. Nvidia. Ben, are you gonna be streaming today, or not? If you're still on, you might be setting up for your stream now. Siga continues to make these little moves out. Very, very strong little up moves, and then it has some pretty nice fall downs every time though. So we'll see if it can continue to hold there. Siga going red on the day though. Again, we're back at this struggle point of the 410 on iLag. Been looking for it to give up the ghost. A lot of shorts seem to be getting on here. I'm seeing a lot of green come through, so that means people are doing things above the ask. They're getting their fills above the ask. So I'm thinking there's a big short here filling up here. Let's see if we can see some more greens pop up. There's a little bit of red. Where those greens at? There's a lot of green right there. So I'm thinking a short's getting his position filled here. More green, and those are larger size green movement. Those are 3,000, 4,000 share greens, and then it goes to the smaller little grays in between the bid and ask. Somebody's filling up. 410s. Let's see if it was a big short stepping in there. Can we get it not under the $4 here? Yep. Let's get it. Go ahead and break this down. What is this? $4. Should see a big red come through for this push for the buyers that are long in this position to be getting stopped out here. Should see a big red here soon. We got a small ramp on the selling pressure here. We had a big red, and now these last two bars have been red as well. Yeah, so it's just a choppy one. But yeah, as for me, I'm not gonna take any trades as of now. I would like to see something better pop up. I was waiting on this breakdown of the four, and then I'll go ahead and close down the stream. Yeah, Ben says he's going live in 20 minutes. Remember, you can also check out our Discord. You can check out the Framework Fortune home channel where he will be streaming. In the Discord, we talk about everything investing in entrepreneurship. We do any kind of updates there. That's the quickest way for you to get in touch with us, through the Discord. And yeah, don't forget to like. And if you're not subscribed yet, you can think about subscribing. If you're over on Twitch, you can think about following by hitting that thumbs up or the follow button. And iLag just will not break down that four, but I think it's going to anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make some more money doing something else. I need to make some calls anyway. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Remember, Ben will be streaming in 20 minutes on the Framework Fortune home channel. He'll continue the analysis over there. But yeah, that's it for me today. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Be careful, be safe in this Monday morning market. There's some traps out here, especially some crypto stock market stocks traps. You know, they're trading on the sentiment of Bitcoin. Okay. Don't get smoked in those cryptos. Anyway, be careful, be safe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.